Y'all know about this cucumber salad, bro. This right here, my pastor beyond me telling me, Chris, you need to get some greens, some kind of greenery. This is my way of doing that. Anyway, I'm cutting down the small baby cucumbers, you know what I'm saying, getting them things right and diced. I'm gonna start dicing these sweet bell peppers, man. They're actually really, really sweet. They taste good. It's got a great texture. It definitely adds to what we're doing, and it's a great color, you know. Put a little bit of that garlic parmesan from McCormick. Then I did my Skinny Girl Honey Dijon. That's my mom's thing. Man, we put a little bit of that everything bagel seasoning in there for the texture, and a little bit of that Dano spicy, man, for just a little bit of heat. And that infused garlic oil, we made that homemade. I'll drop that soon. But then we get it mixed up, get it all nice, you feel me? And boom, look at that right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying, man. We got to try to eat a little bit healthy, and this is my way of doing that. Check it. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me. Don't know what you want to make for dinner tonight? Don't worry, I got you covered. This Kardashian salad with this creamy orzo is worth your time. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to drop in my butter and get it reduced. Then I'm going to put in some garlic, heirloom tomatoes, and I'm going to let that stuff kind of reduce a little bit more. Put in the orzo, 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to just let it kind of steam. And I'm going to drop in my boursin and just let that steam on the stove. Then we come back once it's all melted and start to mix it on in. Now I'm going to chop up my salami for the salad and break down this romaine. After I break down this romaine, I'm gonna drop in my chickpeas. Then we're gonna put in our salami, garlic parmesan, red wine vinegar, Italian seasoning, garlic onion AP, a little bit of salt, and olive oil. And there you go, you got your dressing. I'm gonna put that over the top of here, give it a mix. And I complimented it with some just regular baked chicken, and boom, my wife loved it, everybody loves it. Check me out, y'all.
Stop spending big bucks just to eat healthy at a restaurant. Instead, make this recipe. It's called a Persian Shirazi salad. Let's get into it. Anyway, man, we're gonna drop this Greek yogurt in. I'm gonna put my cucumber guts in with a little bit of olive oil, red wine vinegar, pepper, Italian seasoning, and salt. Then I'm gonna dice up these cucumbers right here, dice up my tomato, dice up this red onion, and I actually have to use a dicer to get it in little cubes. If you're capable, use a dicer. If not, put them in little cubes. And I ended up tossing in a little bit of lemon, salt, and some more olive oil with a little bit of mint. And then we just give it a rice toss around. And then after that, I ended up complementing it with just some regular baked chicken. And that's what I'm talking about, a healthy, quick meal that you can eat at home. And I'm curious to know, does anybody else have any goals to eat healthy this year? Get in the comments, man. Let me know. Look at that bite. That's what I'm talking about, man. She likes it. All right, y'all.